Gerke with Kashak TV. Right now I'm coming to you live from the runway, and I'd like to tell you all about the show I just saw with JPJ Designs. They included factors like texture into their high-end, couture-influenced fashion. There's a few pieces I'd like to tell you about tonight, one of which I'd like to call Prairie Chic. It was a men's shirt in a darker shade of almost denim, and it had leather accents right on the shoulders in a brown leather. Another piece that really caught my eye was a men's piece as well. It was black velvet pants as well as a matching black velvet blazer with a white shirt underneath. And the final piece that really grabbed my attention happened to be the piece that had the big piece of crocodile across the back. I noticed that this line brings in luxe fabrics, lots of texture, and they really infuse it with a lot of design aspects. This crocodile print was a theme throughout the collection. So I was wondering, what was the inspiration you found behind this line?
The fashion is a hobby. You know, the meaning of the fashion, how we can cover our own skin, bare body with a tastefully color, and that's our job. And after too many years, it's coming for me just a hobby and a passion. And for me, as in my work, everybody is a fashion, because for this reason we make all the variety of the color, and our majority of activity customized, and we make most of them with the exotic skin. And you're more than welcome coming anytime in our showroom.
I would love to. And I noticed that you mentioned some music as well. Do you find music to be an influence behind the designs?
Tremendously. We handle a lot of entertainers and athletes that come into our store, so some of the music that inspires us we utilize in our fashions, and our entertainers wear them on stage.
Is there anyone in particular?
Yeah, Marion Meadows, one of the premier jazz saxophonists. Mayor Gordon, Phil Gordon is one of our clients. So we have a very high-end clientele here. Michael Johnson, City Councilman Michael Johnson, and
Vernon Davis.
Yeah, Vernon Davis. We do it half the Arizona Cardinals, a lot of them.
Where do you see the marketing direction going in the future?
For us, it will be going over to Abu Dhabi, some of the international markets. We'll be doing the Super Bowl Jazz Fest, so our clothes will be worn by the entertainers there, as well as in Trinidad. So we're doing more things now internationally.